welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And if you are new and you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell to get notifications from me. Today we'll be doing a collab with a very good friend of mine here on YouTube, Melly. If you guys don't know who she is, or if you haven't watched her videos, please check her out. I'll leave all her information down in the description box. She is amazing the way she plays with colors. All her looks are always, they're very beautiful to me. And not just that, but the way she talks. She's from France, okay, so she does have an accent, but it's so beautiful, and the way she talks, she's just very, like, relaxing. There's something about her voice that's just very relaxing to me, and I like hearing her. She's a very sweet person and very supportive. I highly recommend. So definitely go check her out. We both are going to be doing a fall glam makeup look, so I'm really excited to see what hers turned out as, and I guess we'll see what I come up with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. My face is already done, you can see, and yeah, let's zoom into my eyes. To begin, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Together with the brush, I'll be using the fluffy side. I'm going in first with the shade Burnt Orange, and I want to lay this down as my transition shade. I am going to be applying lots of color, I think, to my eyelid, so I do need something as a transition, if I can speak, as a transition right here in the crease. Then I'm taking a smaller eye crease brush. This one's from e.l.f. And in that same palette, I'm going in with Red Ochre. This shade I'm going to be applying also into my crease, but a little bit lower than that transition shade. I'm going to wipe it off and use a light hand for the blending. I haven't done a cut crease in a while, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm taking my Revlon concealer for that, and I also like to take this just flat concealer brush. Can you see it? There it is. The way I do my cut crease is that I apply it directly onto my eyelid from here, and I like this wand because of that, because it's nice and small and it fits right in there. So I'm going to just apply some kind of like that. I'm going to look up, and there we go. I'm going to go ahead and shape it now. I'm doing a half cut crease. Did I mention that? I don't know. I'm doing a half cut crease because when I say cut crease, I think a lot of people think like all the way. No, half cut crease. Only up to like a little bit past the halfway mark of my eyelid. So I'm taking the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and I'll be going in with this yellow right here. Such a beautiful yellow. You need this palette, yes, but this yellow, it's perfection. I wiped off that brush, and I'm going to go in with that same brush for that yellow. It really is a gorgeous yellow. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that right on top of that cut crease. It's all pretty! I'm going to go back with a little bit more of that Red Ochre shade. I want a tiny bit of this to kind of just merge the yellow and this redder shade together out here. Even though I want to apply something right here in this area, I still want it to look a little bit blended. Apply that Red Ochre onto my lower lash line. And then Ashley forgot to press the record button for the inner corner highlight color, but no worries. I'm here to tell you now what I used. I used the Modern Renaissance palette, the gold shimmer shade, the Primavera color. I want to go ahead and add just a subtle glow to my cheekbones. I'm almost out. No. A subtle glow for the cheekbones and Cupid's bow because a glow is never bad. I might not use as much as I would for spring and summer, but still I like a little bit of a glow. Maybe not on my nose, but Cupid's bow for sure, and cheekbones, a little bit up here. And then next what I want to try is I'm going to be taking this Stila liquid eyeshadow. This one is in Wanderlust, and I hope it's not dry. I've had it for a while and I want to use it. Let me get as much as I can. This, I want to apply just the tiniest bit between that yellow and the red ochre shade, just to give it a little bit of like glitter, a little bit of pop. I want to see if that works. So you can kind of see it there. It is a little bit already running out. No, I'm so sad. I think this is going to be the last time I use it because it's dry. I'm getting as much as I can out of this, even though it's not maybe as glittery and shiny as I wanted it to be. Let's move on to lips. I think I have found the most perfect, affordable, beautiful lippy for fall. So if you like beautiful and affordable, this one is the e.l.f. Seriously Satin lipstick, and this one is in Cider. Isn't the name just perfect also? And it literally reminds me of like the perfect pumpkin spice or something cider for fall. For watching. That was all for this look. I really hope you enjoyed. Now thinking about it, I'm looking at it, guys, and it reminds me a lot of the sunflower look that I did recently, a little while back. I think it's because of the yellow. The yellow is the same yellow I used, and I used it kind of sort of in the same way. So it's very similar to that. I'm barely realizing this is your fall glam look that I came up with today. This lippy definitely pairs well with the look. It's a very fall, very, even the name Cider. Hello. Yeah. And even though the glitter, the Stila eyeshadow was a little bit dry, I'm running out of it and it was a little bit dry. It's been sitting here for a while. I used to use it a lot when it was brand new. So I think this has come to its end of its journey. Even though it does look really nice, it does give it a little bit of an effect on the eyelid. It wasn't like boom in your face too much like what I thought. What I had in mind originally how it was going to be, but that's okay because it still is really pretty. It's not too overpowering. But I really hope you enjoyed it, and thank you Melly again for doing this collab with me, and I'm really excited to see what look you came up with. So guys, make sure to check her out. Her video is down in the description box. Let her know that I sing you over, and other than that, thank you so much for watching. Again, I think I said that for a million times. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you're not yet. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!